Richie, a quick little video here. I put a lone wolf connector on my Glock. Usually I don't like messing around with triggers, but if you're ever taking classes, you know, a lot of the instructors with their pistols they're running classes with, believe it or not, they have a lot of trigger work done to them. So a couple of classes I took, and the instructors who had Glocks in the past, most of them had 3.5 pound connectors, and that's about it. So I put one in. Sorry I didn't make a video of it. I actually thought I was recording it, and little did I know I never hit the friggin' button. So I'm going to show you guys real fast. Let's field strip the gun. Okay, you want to pop out the back pin right here. Now I'm going to do this to my custom Glock, because this is something I don't carry at all. So what you have here is this. Some people take this all apart. You really don't have to. All you have to do is lift the back end out, and that's why the screwdriver is here. I'm going to lift it out a little bit. And that's it. So once you get it like this, pretty much all you have to do is kind of wiggle this apart. Like you want a kind of like a triangle like this, and you just drop this in. And how it goes is, if you had to take the old one out, you just want to gently pry it out, and it comes out. So you want to put it into this slot, back into this slot right here. Make sure it goes in all the way. I need some more light here. So it really is a drop-in part. And let's drop it in. And that's it. So then you just want to squeeze this back in. Just kind of twist it. It will go in. It'll kind of snap it in. A little funky right now, trying to get this on camera and everything else. I'm making this look a lot harder than what it really is, so. One second, gotta get that crucifix in. And that's it. Sorry guys it took so long, but you just want that little crucifix to go back in, and then you're just gonna press it back in. Like that. You should have it look like that. And put your pin back in. Now my install videos are not the best, I will admit that, but I just want to show you how easy it really is. Let's put the slide back on. Now I had this trigger on already, comparing it to my other Gen 3, and what I have found is it's a crisper trigger, not necessarily that much lighter, but definitely crisp. And got to take it to the range, make sure everything functions before I depend my life on this pistol. But I'm really happy with it. So easy upgrade. I got this from the Glock store. They're like 14 bucks. You have the Ghost trigger, but Lone Wolf, their parts have always done me right, so I go with them. Again, let's go over the breakdown real fast. You gotta field strip your Glock. Okay, you take this pin out Again, some guys, you see some videos taking this whole assembly out. You can do it that way, but it's really unnecessary. Once you take this pin out, you're going to lift the ass end out and just gently pry out the old connector and just put the new one in. And it's a real simple procedure, guys. And one thing you want to do is make sure your trigger's always back. You can actually pull this a little bit if you need a little bit. It could be a little tight, but you shouldn't have any problems. And I'm going to see how this goes. I mean, if it's really good, I hate having hair triggers on my carry guns. I always like a stock trigger. Don't like doing trigger work. But a lot of guys who I've taken classes with, they all tell me the 3.5 connector is worth it and seems to be pretty reliable, what they tell me. So I always run a stock trigger. I'm going to give this one a try, and if I do like it, I will put it in my 19s. Like again, I see a lot of guys. Nice audible reset. You can see when it breaks. Nice. And listen to that reset. There is a shorter reset, I think. I'm feeling a shorter reset, and it's definitely crisper, definitely. So I will be taking this to the range, double checking, make sure it functions, and that's it. Custom Glock with a 3.5 pound connector. This is not my carry gun. I do not carry this. I haven't taken the class with this, but I will put it through its paces. But for shit hits the fan, tactical type of gun, this is good, and this trigger should be good for classes. So if I really like it, I will get more for my 19, and that's it. Richie Bulge Board Heads, Lone Wolf 3.5 pound connector, definitely worth it. Take care, guys.